Imagine waking up one morning and realizing the sky looks wrong. Stars stretched into ribbons. Light bending at impossible angles, the moon warped like it's melting. Within hours, scientists confirm the unthinkable Earth has been pulled inside a black hole. Not near it, not circling it, but trapped inside one of the most terrifying monsters in the universe, a black hole, the ultimate cosmic predator, a place where gravity is so strong that not even light can escape. Time, space, and matter are ripped apart. And now, our world, our home, is locked inside it. What would happen to us? Could we survive? Or would reality itself collapse before our eyes? The first thing we'd notice is the distortion of time. Black holes don't just warp space, they warp time itself. From the outside, anyone watching Earth fall in would see us slow down, almost freeze, as if the planet were stuck in slow motion forever. But for us, inside the black hole, time would feel normal, at least for a while. Then comes the light, inside a black hole. Light can't escape, but it doesn't vanish instantly. It bends, swirls, and twists into chaos. The night sky would transform into a kaleidoscope of broken stars, stretched across the horizon like smeared paint. The sun wouldn't look like a circle anymore, it would scatter into strange arcs. Until eventually, it disappeared completely. The Earth itself wouldn't survive intact for long. Black holes unleash tidal forces so extreme that they can shred entire planets, a process known as spaghettification on the surface. You'd feel it in terrifying ways. Oceans would stretch, mountains would bend. Even your own body would start to pull apart atom by atom. Gravity wouldn't feel like the gentle force holding you to the ground. It would feel like an invisible giant trying to tear you in two. But there's something even stranger. Some physicists believe that once inside a black hole, space and time don't behave like anything we know. The very laws of physics begin to break. You wouldn't just fall further into darkness, you'd fall into a singularity. A single point of infinite density. Every particle, every planet, every star, compressed into one infinitely small place. Earth, the oceans, the cities. The mountains, you, me crushed into nothingness. Or maybe not. Some theories suggest black holes could be gateways, cosmic portals to other universes. If Earth was somehow stable inside, we might not be destroyed. Instead, we could emerge somewhere completely different. Imagine looking up and seeing a sky full of unfamiliar stars, galaxies shaped unlike anything we've ever seen. Could it be a second chance? A rebirth for Earth in an entirely new universe? But survival wouldn't be easy. Without sunlight, our planet would freeze. Within weeks, crops would die. Oceans would solidify, and the atmosphere would collapse. Humanity would be forced underground. Living off artificial light and dwindling resources, technology might buy us time. But the clock would always be ticking, because inside a black hole, the rules aren't just deadly, they're unpredictable. Radiation bursts could tear through our planet at random. Gravitational shifts could rip cities apart without warning, and the longer we stayed, the more warped reality would become. Time might speed up or slow down in strange pockets. A single day on Earth could equal centuries outside or seconds. We could live entire lives without realizing billions of years were passing in the universe beyond. And then there's the scariest possibility of all that we'd never know we were inside. Some scientists suggest that once you cross the event horizon, there's no way to send information back out, meaning that right now, for all we know, Earth could already be inside a black hole. The strange expansion of our universe, the way galaxies race away from us, even the mysteries of dark energy, what if it is all because we were trapped in something far bigger than we can imagine? If that were true, then everything we've ever known, the stars, the galaxies, the cosmic background itself, would just be the inside of one massive black hole. And we'd be too small, too fragile, too bound by the limits of our senses to ever realize it. So, what if Earth was trapped inside a black hole? We'd witness skies torn apart, oceans stretched into rivers of darkness, and time itself collapsing round us. We might die instantly, shredded into atoms, or we might fall through into another universe, carrying the story of our world into an endless new reality. But one thing is certain. A black hole doesn't care about nations, power, or pride. It doesn't care about humanity's history, our wars, our achievements. It is the ultimate equalizer, devouring stars, swallowing galaxies, and erasing the footprints of everything that ever was. And if Earth were to fall inside one, we wouldn't just lose our planet. We'd lose the very concept of existence itself, because in a black hole, there is no escape, there is no tomorrow, there is only the pull of gravity, the collapse of reality, and the haunting truth that sometimes the universe is far more terrifying than we can ever imagine.